Good morning. My name is Maisha Jones, and I was a client, or I still feel like I am a client, of the Greater Boston Legal Service. Lee Palmer was the attorney that helped me with my case. My daughter had gotten into some trouble, and despite the fact that I requested to take her off the lease, but they were just unable to follow through, I still was penalized. So they sent me a letter of notice to quit. It felt like immediately, and I panicked. So I had a little bit of time before I went to work. So I called and I actually got through. And then they made an appointment for me to come into the office. When I got into the office, I was really nervous, to say the least. I wasn't sure what to expect or like how they were going to look at me, but it was really nice. From the time I got into the office, I was greeted, friendly. He was very friendly. And then when I met Lee, my nerves relaxed. It was more like, I don't know what to expect. And then she introduced herself, and then I explained what was going on. And then she listened and made me feel like what I was saying mattered and that I was important. So they had written up they being my housing authority, had written up this agreement for me, despite the fact that I've been a great tenant for maybe 17 years. They still wrote up this strict agreement for me, and it was supposed to be for 24 months. Lee took a look at it and asked and requested my file. There was nothing in my file to say that I was a problematic tenant or anything like that, so she requested 12 months. And then we got the 12 months. So after the 12 months, and even during the 12 months, I was still able to keep in touch with her. I was still able to reach out if I had any concerns or anything like that. The great part is I went through the 12 months and she didn't forget about me. She still checked in. How's it going? I know your agreement is coming to an end. And even now, I just never felt like I was just a client. I felt like, oh, wow, my friend Lee is helping me out and she happens to be an attorney. They make you feel like family and like you're a person. And sometimes you just don't feel like that when you're in that situation and you need help so desperately. But I would love for them to be able to help as many people as they can. I understand the offices, they don't have a lot of attorneys, but with the small amount of people that they have, they do great work. And me and my family we probably wouldn't still be in our house, and we wouldn't have a roof over our head if it wasn't for them. So in closing, I would just like to say thank you to everybody at Greater Boston Legal Service, and that I really appreciate you guys, and you guys always stay on my mind, and I feel empowered knowing that somebody had my back. All right, that's it for me. Have a great day.